Here's some miniature art trivia. Subscribe. What medium is most commonly used in miniatures? Is it A, watercolor, B, oil paint, C, charcoal, or D, pastel? The correct answer is A, watercolor. What term describes painting small-scale works? Is it A, miniaturism, B, cubism, C, realism, or D, impressionism? The correct answer is A, miniaturism. Which Asian country has a rich tradition of miniature art? Is it A, Thailand, B, Japan, C, China, or D, India? The correct answer is D, India. What style of miniature art involves detailed scenes? Is it A, Tibetan Thangka, B, Kalighat painting, C, Persian carpet, or D, Sumi art? The correct answer is B, Kalighat painting. What is the term for a small ornamental drawing? Is it A, thumbnail, B, icon, C, doodle, or D, vignette? The correct answer is D, vignette. What was the primary purpose of miniatures in the past? Is it A, decorative art, B, personal mementos, C, religious artifacts, or D, historical documents? The correct answer is B, personal mementos. What is a common theme in medieval miniatures? Is it A, scientific discoveries, B, historical events, C, mythical creatures, or D, religious subjects? The correct answer is D, religious subjects. Which famous museum features the largest collection of miniatures? Is it A, the Met, B, the British Museum, C, the Louvre, or D, the Smithsonian? The correct answer is B, the British Museum. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.